You know, the opioid crisis is stretching our nation, and here at home, Tennessee is not immune to the grip of addiction. The assistant district attorney says cases involving heroin, fentanyl, and crystal meth are at an all-time high. And he tells News Channel 5's Kyle Horan that anytime they're dealing with 50 to 100 cases involving opioids. Kyle?
Yeah, that's correct. I know it sounds like a shocking statistic, but Assistant District Attorney Ed Ryan says that's his reality. Now he and specialists are trying to locate the sources of where these drugs are coming from. And also doctors in our state are hoping to help addicts. It's clear there's something going on in American communities.
I think people need to understand how strong of addiction this is.
We've covered cases of fentanyl most recently. It's a powerful drug that is often mixed with heroin and can be fatal even in small doses. ADA Ed Ryan says stricter punishment for dealers could help.
When you start bringing in heroin, particularly if it's laced with fentanyl or carfentanil or something of that, which is basically a poison, just putting it on your clothes, smelling it, getting it in your fingers can kill you. And they're mixing that. I think an increase in sentencing for people that are selling that stuff on the street is mandatory. I think that needs to be an A felony, and I think it needs to be 100% crime. And if you're going to sell heroin and anything laced with fentanyl, you should go to prison for a long time.
It's a strong stance on a big problem. The other side are the addicts themselves. Dr. David Stern says having a network of addiction specialists in the state could help.
The most important thing is that our approach should be that addiction is a medical problem. It's not a stigma associated with it. It's not an issue of low morality or weak character. It's a medical issue, and it needs to be treated by medical doctors according to evidence-based protocols.
But both Dr. Stern and Ryan are in agreement about one thing. The epidemic is a big problem, not only in our state, but across the country. They're hoping increased efforts can slow some of its negative impact. Now the ADA says that he hopes that the court systems can help get addicts the help that they need. And also Dr. Stern says he hopes that he can get more doctors on board to diagnosing locally those addicts to help get them help better. Both of them agree that there needs to be more help out there for addicts. Reporting live, Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.